On today's episode of America's Top Trial Lawyers, you'll get a chance to meet Lance Cooper.
Welcome to the YouTube channel of Michael J. Swanson. Michael is the author of How David Beats Goliath and is the CEO of Advocate Capital. And now, here's Michael.
Lance Cooper is the founding partner of the Cooper firm. He received his undergrad degree from the University of California at Berkeley and his law degree from Emory University School of Law in Atlanta, Georgia. Lance practices in a variety of areas with an emphasis on product liability cases involving automobile design and manufacturing defects. His trial skills and experience are confirmed by his membership in the American Board of Trial Advocates, an exclusive invitation-only group reserved for the most experienced trial lawyers across the nation. Mr. Cooper is also a past president of the Georgia Trial Lawyers Association. And now, here's Lance Cooper. Lance, thanks for joining us.
Good to be here.
Great. Well, I know a lot of people have an idea of what a plaintiff's lawsuit might do to benefit the plaintiff, but I think a lot of people don't understand that the civil justice system doesn't just benefit plaintiffs, but it benefits society as a whole. Can you tell us about that?
Sure. The importance of a robust civil justice system cannot be overstated. I mean, the recent cases, for example, the Toyota sudden acceleration case, RGM cases, and now the Takata exploding airbag cases, the publicity from all those cases came from the civil justice system, and that is attorneys who were hired by clients who were harmed by those products. They pursued these defect allegations and ultimately uncovered what were, in each case, very bad conduct on the part of the manufacturers, which harmed and in fact, in the GM case, killed a number of people.
Terrible. Yeah, I think most people think that NHTSA is the stopgap that's going to save them from unsafe products, but that's not really the case. What's your experience with NHTSA?
Yeah, it's unfortunate. I mean, they're the regulatory body that's supposed to regulate the manufacturers, but I've been doing this for 25 years, and although I think a lot of them are well-intentioned, they're underfunded, and it's a political body as well. You see a lot of the NHTSA leadership over the years, when they leave, they go to work as lobbyists for the companies.
Wow.
And so it's sort of the fox guarding the henhouse scenario. And in those situations, a lot of these defects do not get uncovered. And again, but for the civil justice system, for example, I don't believe there's any doubt that in the GM litigation case, but for the melting case, this defect would never have been uncovered and these recalls never would have occurred.
Absolutely. Well, Lance, thanks so much for what you do to not only help our civil justice system be strong and robust, but the work that you do in your community to help the citizens of Georgia and all over the country, really.
Well, thank you.
Thanks for watching. Send your questions or comments to Michael at mike@howdavidbeatsgoliath.com.